Your computer knows the destination IP address, but Ethernet communication needs a MAC address. So, how does a computer find the MAC address when it only knows the IP address? That's exactly what ARP does. What is ARP? ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. It acts as a translator that maps a logical address to a physical address so that data can actually travel across a local network. In simple words, ARP helps a device find the MAC address associated with a known IP address. Why is ARP needed? Suppose PCA wants to send data to PCB. PCA knows the IP address, but communication requires the destination MAC address. Without the MAC address, communication cannot begin. To start the process, PCA sends out an ARP request. It basically shouts a question to the entire network who has 192.168.1.20. This is a broadcast message. That means every single device on this network receives it and has to process it. Now, the device that actually owns the IP address hears the request and responds with an ARP reply. It sends back a clear message: 192.168.1.20 is at 0018 2B 3C 4D 5E. This is a unicast message. Unlike the request, this isn't it a shout because the reply already knows exactly who asked the question. It is sent exclusively back to PCA. No other device on the network is bothered by this traffic. It means only PCA receives it. Once PCA receives the reply, it doesn't just forget it. It stores that MAC address in a temporary table called the ARP cache. Think of it as a personal contact list. This makes communication much faster and significantly reduces unnecessary network traffic. You can actually see this table yourself on Windows. Just type ARP-A. This helps avoid repeated ARP requests.